17th problem. Find the value of k for which each of the following equations has equal roots. We have learned nature of roots, three nature of roots. D is equal to 0. What is the meaning of D? Discriminant. B square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Then the roots are real and equal. Real in the sense all the 9 types of numbers. Natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, even, odd, prime, commas, rational, irrational numbers. These are all put together is called real numbers. If they tell real and rational and equal also same only. Are able to follow? In the same way, D greater than 0. Real and distinct. Distinct means different. Distinct meaning is different or unequal. Are able to follow? So names will be changing, don't get confused. Real numbers means all the numbers all put together are called real numbers. Next, coming to D less than 0. Unequal and imaginary. Or complex and imaginary. Whatever they tell, this both means same only. Unequal and imaginary. So, please practice those natures. 3 natures are there. Here they have given a quadratic equation. How we call it as quadratic equation? X square, xn constant. What is A? A means coefficient of x square. What is the coefficient of x square? K plus 1. And what is B? Coefficient of x with the sign. If I am not writing means plus is there. 2 into k plus 3. And what is C? C is equal to constant. K plus 8. Now they are telling roots of the equation. Roots of the equation are equal. Equal means real and equal. The meaning is equal means real and equal. The meaning is we represent as D. D means discriminant. B square minus 4ac. Equal they told is equal to 0. The meaning of equal is equal to 0. Roots are real and distinct means greater than 0. All right. Able to follow. So keep in mind. From where we got this 0 means roots are the roots of the equation are equal. What is B? 2 into k plus 3 whole square. This square is for 2 and this square is for k plus 3 minus 4 into what is A? K plus 1. K plus 1 into what is C? K plus 8 is equal to 0. Don't forget is equal to 0. Now square give for both. Whole square no for both. 2 2s are 4 into k plus 3 whole square minus 4 into first multiply these two. K into k square plus 8k. Next with plus 1 plus k plus 8 is equal to 0. Now 4 into a plus b whole square formula everybody knows. What is the formula for a plus b whole square? A square plus 2ab plus b square. So if you want to put bracket, small bracket you keep. No need braces. Small bracket because inside one more bracket comes. So a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is first term minus 4 into, now you multiply with minus 4, minus into plus minus 4k, and otherwise first you simplify. Inside like terms are there no? 4 minus 4 into k square plus 9k. How 9k came? 8k plus k is 9k. 8 chocolates plus 1 more chocolate, 9 chocolates. Chocolates means you'll understand. K means you can't understand. These two are like terms. Plus 8 is equal to 0. Now multiply with 4. 4k square plus into plus is all you know. Plus into plus again plus. 2 3s are 6. 6 4s are 24. 24k. This is all one term only. 2 3s are 6. 6 4s are 24 and k is there, right k. And plus 3 3s 9. 9 4s 36. Now send multiply with minus 4. Minus 4k square minus into plus minus 9 4s are 36. K is there, k is right. Next minus into plus minus 4 8s are 32 is equal to 0. Now simplify like terms. Here plus 4k square is there, here minus 4k square is there. Both get cancelled. Next plus 24k minus 36k. If you subtract, because opposite signs we are going to subtract, minus 12k will come. What will come? Minus 12k. Next here plus 36 minus 32. 36 minus 32 is plus 4. Plus 4 is equal to 0. Now minus 12k is equal to minus 4. Plus 4 goes from left to right is minus 4. Minus minus get cancelled. K is equal to 4 by 12. Multiplication 4k, but 12k means 12 into k. Into going from left to right is division. 4 table goes 4 1s are 4. 4 3s are 12. So k is equal to 1 by 3. Now we got the value of k. So this is the way of solving this and finding the value of k. Eighteenth problem. Find the value of k. Same. For which each of the following equations has equal roots. Here they have given kx square plus kx plus 1 is equal to minus 4x square minus x. Bring everything to one side. Kx square minus becomes plus here, plus 4x square plus kx plus x. Minus x comes this side, plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. It is not in order. We have to put in order in order to solve this problem. Are you able to follow? Now, in the first two terms, x square, like terms. So, k plus 4 of x square plus k plus 1 of x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now, we brought the quadratic shape. Here, a is equal to coefficient of x square, k plus 4. What is b? Coefficient of x, k plus 1. And what is the constant? And here what they told? Roots of the equation. Roots of the equation has equal roots. Has equal. Are equal. Roots of the equation are equal. What is the meaning of that? What is the formula for discriminant? D indicates discriminant. B square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Equal means the discriminant is equal to 0. What is B? K plus 1 whole square minus 4 into what is A? K plus 4 into C. What is C? 1 is equal to 0. Which formula? A plus B whole square formula. A square plus 2ab plus B square. K square plus 2 into K into 1 plus 1 square minus 4 into 1. K plus 4 is K plus 4 only. One table everybody knows by birth. So now simplify. K square plus 2k. K square plus 2k. Because how 2k? 2 ones are 2, 2 into k, 2k. 1 ones are 1 plus 1. Now with the minus 4. Minus 4k plus into minus 4 fours are 16. Minus 16 is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. Now k square as it is plus 2k minus 4k, those two are like terms. Minus 2k, opposite signs we are going to subtract. Plus 2 minus 4 minus 2k plus 1 minus 16 is minus 15 is equal to 0. Now we got quadratic equation shape. For which number we have to find factors? For minus 15. When we simplify, minus 2 should come. So minus 5 plus 3, that is equal to minus 5 into 3. Are you able to follow? Now substitute. K square minus 5k plus 3k minus 15 is equal to 0. K common. K minus 5 plus 3 common. K minus 5 is equal to 0. What comes in the first bracket as it is comes in the second bracket. In first term k minus 5 is there, in second term also k minus 5. So on the whole you take k minus 5 common. Remaining is k plus 3 is equal to 0. When it will be 0? Either k minus 5 is equal to 0 or k plus 3 is equal to 0. So k is equal to minus 5 goes that side, plus 5, and here k is plus 3 goes that side, minus 3. So what are the values of k? 5 comma minus 3. Two values we got. This is the way of simple finding the value of k. Find the value of k for which each of the following equations has equal roots. Here they have given a quadratic equation. They are asking to find the value of k. Here a is equal to 1. How 1? The coefficient of x square is 1. Nothing is there means 1 is there. That too plus 1. And b is equal to coefficient of x is plus 4k. And the coefficient of c constant k square minus k plus 2. What they have given condition? Roots of the equation. Roots of the equation are equal. What they are telling? Roots of the equation are equal. The meaning of that one is what? D, discriminant. B square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Are you able to follow? What is B? 4k. So 4k whole square minus 4 into, what is the value of A? 1 into C. K square minus k plus 2 is equal to 0. Now 4 4 16 k square. So 16 k square minus 4 ones are 4. 4 into k square minus k plus 2 is equal to 0. Now 16k square minus, because why minus? Minus into plus is minus, 4 into k square, 4k square minus into minus plus 4k minus into plus again minus 4 2s are 8 is equal to 0. Now 16k square minus 4k square. Both are like terms. 12k square. How much? 12k square. 12k square like terms. And plus 4k minus 8 is equal to 0. Which table is common? 4 table is common. 4 goes 3 times. 4 3s are 12. 4 3 k square. 4 1s are so k. 4 2s are 8 is equal to 0. Now for which number we are going to find factors? 3 into minus 2. For minus 6 we have to find factors. When we simplify, plus 1 should come. In such a way we have to find factors. So how to find 3 minus 2 is equal to 3 into minus 2. Plus into minus minus 3 to 6 minus 6. 3 minus 2 is plus 1. So how to find factors and how to apply signs, very important. Now 3k square plus 3k minus 2k minus 2 is equal to 0. From the first 2 you can take 3k common. One more k is left, plus 1. From the next 2 minus 2 you are taking common. Here k is left, minus into minus plus 1. Opposite sign otherwise is equal to 0 when we are taking minus common. In the first bracket k plus 1 is there. In the second bracket also k plus 1 is there. So on the whole I am taking k plus 1 as common. And what are remaining? 3k minus 2. 3k minus 2 is equal to 0. So k plus, when it will be 0? When k plus 1 is equal to 0 or 3k minus 2 is equal to 0. Now k is equal to plus 1 goes that side, minus 1, or 3k is equal to minus 2 goes plus 2. So k is equal to 2 by 3. So what are the values of k? K is equal to minus 1 comma 2 by 3. This is the way of solving the problem.